a toy vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
But there's a real one right upstairs.
Yeah, but I want a toy one. For fun.
But it looks the same.
But.
I'm not buying you a toy vacuum cleaner. You can use the one I found. Come on. What are you talking about? Why would you? A toy vacuum cleaner? But I can get you the real one.
I want a toy vacuum.
But it's a real vacuum
But
cleaner.
it's a toy vacuum cleaner.
And that's why Lachlan's a little wimpy kid.